WheelsTV, in collaboration with the New England Motor Press Association, is pleased to present the 2024 WheelsTV POV of the Year Award to the 2022 Kia Carnival MPV. The POV of the Year accolade, now in its 15th year, is bestowed upon a pre-owned vehicle that has been in service for at least 2 years and demonstrates exceptional long-term reliability and consumer satisfaction. When it comes to versatility and unparalleled practicality, the minivan has long been a staple of family transportation. In 2022, Kia introduced the Kia Carnival Multi-Purpose Vehicle, or MPV, a bold reimagining that seamlessly melds that practicality with the rugged styling of Kia's popular SUV lineup. Powered by a 290-horsepower 3.5-liter V6 engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive, the Carnival can tow up to 3,500 pounds and deliver 26 miles per gallon on the highway, all while providing 168.2 cubic feet of cabin space for up to 8 passengers. Upon selecting the 2022 Kia Carnival, judges cited its SUV-inspired design, its top IIHS safety pick, and its proven reliability. A competitive price point, standard smart power sliding rear doors, and available premium features such as second-row VIP lounge seats also set the 2022 Carnival apart from a crowded field. For these compelling reasons and more, WheelsTV and the New England Motor Press Association proudly present the 2024 WheelsTV POV of the Year Award to the 2022 Kia Carnival MPV.